Hari Om. Now we will see the naturopathy practical in which we are using water for therapeutic use. Water had so many therapeutic use. Here we are using hot water and cold water. This name of practical is hot, cold, hot pack. First we use hot water, then we use cold water, again hot water. Start with hot water and end with hot water. That is the important part of this practical. This practical is useful basically for all types of joint pain, knee pain, ankle joint, elbow joint or frozen shoulder. In all these diseases, we can use this hot, cold, hot pack. You can give this treatment for a patient for 10 to 15 minutes. Take a one bucket of hot water and one bucket of cold water. Cold water means tap water, not ice cold water. It's tap water. Hot water, the temperature must be more, which can be bearable by patient. That is also very important. Start with hot water. Put first hot water, then immediately cold water, again immediately hot water. Like this, hot, cold, start with hot water and end with hot water. This is the important part of this practical. After completion of treatment, you can dry that part of that patient and give him shavasana. Do this treatment minimum 3 to 5 days, every day, twice a day. Thank you. Now you can see this practical hot, cold, hot pack. This is hot water. This is empty bucket. There is no water. And this is cold water. Start with hot water and again immediately you can put the cold water. Again hot, cold like this. Start with hot water and end with hot water only. Start. Here is a knee pain. She is putting the hot water. The distance is also important. And don't put the hot water at one place. Please revolve that water slowly. So first hot water, immediately start cold water. See, the distance is also very important. And don't put water at one place. Please revolve it. And do this hot, cold for minimum 10 to 15 minutes twice a day. Which is very much beneficial for knee pain. Nowadays there is so many knee pain problem is there. For knee pain, immediate effect like a painkiller. Because hot, cold, compression and expansion. When you put the hot water, blood vessels expands. And when you put cold water, blood vessels contract. This contraction and expansion, blood circulation is more. So hot water, then cold water. So here we are showing the practical. Two peoples are there, cold water, hot water. I will tell you very simple technique. In everybody's home, there are two taps in bathroom. One hot water tap and one cold water tap. Just move your knee. That's all. You can take the hot, cold, hot pack in your own home in bathroom for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is hot water. Now, start with hot water and end with hot water. Please check the body part where you are putting the water. If there are some wounds, please don't put the water. After finishing the practical therapy, please remove that leg from the bucket and dry that leg. Dry that leg and don't go in the direct air for 10 to 15 minutes. Have a shavasana for 10 minutes. Thank you.